Presenting the 2016 Toyota Corolla L. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 15x 6.0 steel wheels, front bucket seats, fabric seat trim, 6 speakers, air conditioning, electronic stability control, tachometer, ABS brakes, brake assist and delay-off headlights. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.